Hi, welcome to CoinFabric's Learning to Scout series on issues in Soroban, Stellar's smart contract language. Today, we'll explore a detection class known as Unprotected Update of Current Contract wasm. In smart contracts, authorization issues can lead to unauthorized users making critical changes to the current contract wasm. This tutorial will help us understand why it's crucial to handle this issue properly. Here's an example where this issue appears. Notice how the upgrade function allows anyone to call Update Current Contract wasm without any authorization checks. Let's run Scout on this code. We navigate to the contract folder and run cargo scout audit. The warning related to Unprotected Update of Current Contract wasm appears, indicating the issue. To address this issue, we need to restrict the upgrade function to administrators or authorized users only. Here's how the remediated code looks. Now, when we reanalyze our corrected code with Scout, it no longer detects the issue, confirming our fix. In smart contract development, it's essential to ensure that sensitive functions are restricted to authorized users. Always ensure proper authorization checks. Using Scout during your development process can help identify and fix these issues promptly. Thank you for watching. Learn more about Scout in the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.